Hi Alexa, thanks for using SnapMath and sending us in your question on solving to complete the square. The reason your question didn't get answered last night is because our hours closed at 10 p.m. We're actually open from 4 to 10 p.m., but I kind of saw this here, so I'll go ahead and answer it. So here you asked to solve by completing the square. So the first step we're going to do is put the 24x on the left side here. And I'm going to subtract the 16 over as well. Okay, because we want to get all the terms that have x in them on one side and all the terms that don't have x in them on the other side. Okay, so we end up with 4x squared plus 24x equals negative 16. Okay, in order to complete the square, you can't have a coefficient in front of the x squared term. So I'm going to take it out. So we'll give an x squared plus 6x, and then I'm going to get ready to complete the square here. Okay, and this is going to equal negative 16 plus something. Okay, in order to complete the square, we look at the coefficient in front of the x term. It's 6. So what you do is you take the 6, you divide by 2, and then you get 3. And then you square that number, and that gives you 9. Okay, so now we're going to add that 9 to both sides here. Okay, so I'm going to add the 9 here. I'm going to add the 9. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not going to add 9 here. Now we have a 9 here, right? So now you have to look and see you have a 4 times a 9, so you're actually adding 36. So what you want to do is add 36 to the right side. Okay? Let's get back to our black here. So now I'm going to factor this here. We're going to get 4x plus 3 squared. Okay, so if you factored that, you get x plus 3 times x plus 3, hence completing the square. And then on the right side, we're left with 20. Okay, we divide both sides by 4, and then we're going to be left with x plus 3 squared equals 5. Okay, so to get rid of the square, we square root both sides. So now we are going to be left with x plus 3 equals, and then plus or minus square root of 5. Whenever you take the square root of both sides, you have to write plus or minus in front of one of the terms. Okay, and then we just subtract 3 to both sides, and we get negative 3 plus or minus root 5. And there is our answer. And you can check that by plugging it in, and then just making sure the left side equals the right side. Thanks, Alexa, for using SnapMath. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.